The real story: demystifying 5 site flipping myths. Do you believe the misconceptions that only tech-savvy entrepreneurs with deep pockets can succeed in this market? Whether a beginner or an experienced entrepreneur, you'll find valuable insights and practical tips to help you succeed in site flipping. Myth 1. You need a lot of money to start site flipping. Many people assume that site flipping requires a significant upfront investment, but there are low-cost strategies that you can use to get started. Myth 2. You need technical skills or experience in coding. Focus on developing your skills in SEO, content creation, and marketing. Myth 3. Site flipping is only for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship flexibility is one of the key benefits of site flipping, and it can offer learning opportunities for anyone willing to put in the time and effort to learn the necessary skills. Myth 4. You can't make a profit in a crowded market. Market saturation shouldn't discourage you from entering a specific niche, as it can indicate a high demand for that topic. Myth 5. Site flipping is a get-rich-quick scheme. Site flipping may seem like a quick way to make a lot of money, but it takes time, effort, and patience to build a successful website that can be sold for a profit. Remember, site flipping is a business. Like any business, it takes hard work and dedication to succeed. For more details, check the link in the description.
That's it, folks. If you're eager to get rich now, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for daily money-making guides. We're here to support your journey to wealth. Don't forget to click the link in the description to access an exclusive detailed post on GetRichNow.com. It's time to level up your financial game. Join us, and let's get rich together.